Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening your document where alignment is broken. Make changes immediately. Turn on ruler and grid lines so you can see measurements and snap points. Select the paragraph or object to fix because actions apply to the active selection only. Use the Home tab for left, center, right, justify, and use Layout Align for object alignment options. Once done, nudge items with the arrow keys for fine adjustments. This gives precision versus dragging with the mouse. You now tackle complex alignment with grouping and alignment anchors. Group images or shapes so they move together. This prevents one from drifting while another snaps into place. Open Layout, choose Align, then pick Align to margin, page, or selected objects. These change the reference point. Use Distribute horizontally or vertically to create equal gaps between multiple items. Make sure to check object anchors for images anchored to text, because anchor behavior affects how items shift when content reflows. Finish by locking positions and confirming paragraph settings so layout stays consistent. Adjust indents, tabs, and spacing in paragraph to align text within the page grid, then set position and text wrapping for pictures or text boxes to prevent reflow. Once done, save a copy, because testing changes might shift content. If alignment still fails, reveal hidden characters and clear direct formatting or use reset style. This exposes tabs or manual spaces causing misplacement and usually resolves stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.